Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove shortcut arrow icon in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your description and copy and paste this link. This link is available into the video description. After doing this, click on it, click on download. After downloading that, right click, more options, and extract here. Cut it from, go to your C section, open up Windows and paste it. Click on continue. After pasting that, close it. After doing this, that in the search box type a registry editor. Right click, run as administrator. Open a registry editor and select and expand the HKey local machine. Select a software and expand it. After doing this, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out a Windows. Select a Windows and expand it. Select a current version and expand it. Find out Explorer. Now here is the Explorer. Expand it. Right click on Explorer. Click on New. Select a new key and set a name is Shell Icons. S is a capital, shell space I is a capital, icons. Select a shell icons. Right click, click on new. Select a string value and set a name is 29. Open it and put the value data is C backslash Windows backslash blank icon black.ico. Click on OK button. Close the registry editor. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your shortcuts is removed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.